How to change profile picture on Outlook on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, then go to outlook.live.com. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. And then, tap on your account. You will then be taken to this page. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Go to My Profile. Here, tap on Add a Photo as shown. Tap on Add a Photo again. And then, select Photo Library. Choose the photo you want to set as your profile picture from here and tap on Done at the top right corner. After that, tap on Save. You have now successfully changed your profile picture on Outlook. Following these steps, you can easily change profile picture on Outlook on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.